All right, so we got buckshot, then birdshot. His has got birdshot, then buckshot. What gun is this?
It's a Rock Island VR60.
Semi-auto shotgun. Let's check it out. All right, so the TV lost. You can see all of the small holes and you can see the bigger ones from the buckshot. And then those are the holes from, what was it, Glenn? You were saying that's from the wad. Holy shit. Yeah, look at that.
That was probably the two.
Buckshot.
Yep.
Yeah, baby, that thing is sweet.